Sharing contacts on Android phones might not be something you do every day, but when you do, you'd better know a few different ways how to do it. Today we'll break down 5 methods to share your contacts on Android, and chances are that at least one of them will work for you. Let's get going. Okay, first up is the Contacts app. If you're sharing just one or a handful of contacts or even all your contacts, this method is super quick and doesn't require any fancy tools or skills. Here is what you need to do. Open the Contacts app on your Android phone. Tap the three-dot menu in the top corner. It can also be a hamburger kind of a menu depending on your device. Select Share Contacts or Send Contacts. This may vary depending on your phone. Pick the specific contacts you want to share, just hit Select All. Next, choose how to share them, via link, email, messaging app, or nearby share. I'll go for simple Gmail. Type the address of the person you want to share your Android contacts with, and optionally suggest the title and the message text. And once everything is ready, tap Send, and the contacts will be delivered to the destination as a CSV file. Open the file on your new device or ask your contact recipient to do it to get access to your Android contacts. Now, if you're moving to a new phone or want to backup just in case, syncing your contacts with your Google account is the way to go. Open the Settings app on your Android phone, tap Accounts and Backup, go to Manage Accounts and select your Google account. Hit Sync Account and tap on Contacts. It will also show you the date of the last syncing so that you know how recent your backup file is. Once that's done, sign into the same Google account on your new phone and your contacts will be right there. Next up is Nearby or Quick Share. Now, since I do not have 2 Android phones to show you the entire process, I'll walk you through almost everything you need to know to get this done successfully. Here's how it works. Open the Contacts app and tap the three-dot menu. Select Share Contacts. Pick your contacts and tap Share, and choose Nearby Share or Quick Share in my case from the list. When you choose Nearby Share, the receiving device will pop up on your screen. Just tap on it on the other phone and a notification will appear asking you to accept the transfer. Once accepted, the contact file is sent in just seconds. Finally, a few words about exporting contacts. 15 Android operating systems later, this old-school way of sharing still works just fine. Open the Contacts app and tap on the three-dot menu. Select Manage Contacts this time and go to Import or Export Contacts. Tap Export and choose where to save the file, your phone storage or to a SIM card. And then you can transfer the file to another phone using email, Bluetooth, or even a USB cable. Just remember, you should then import this file on the new device through the Contacts app to get access to all those contacts in the VCF file. Now we know how to share and transfer your contacts on Android. From using the Contacts app to Google Sync, Nearby Share, and even manual exports, we've covered all the bases. But here's the thing. While these methods work well at times, none of them are a great choice for sharing professional contacts. And honestly, it's no wonder. For professional use, you need professional tools, and let me introduce you to one of them, Shared Contacts Manager. This tool is built for professionals and businesses, offering features that blow traditional methods of contact sharing out of the water. And here's why it stands out. You can share a contact list in real time, allowing teams to work together. Sharing Google contacts across Google domains is not a problem anymore. You stay in control by deciding who can view, edit, or reshare your contacts. They are available across Google Calendar, Gmail, and other workspace apps, so you are always in sync. With customized permissions and admin delegation, you can be always confident that your contacts are protected and only accessible to the right people. Visit sharecontactsmanager.com to sign up for a free trial or even schedule a live demo. Trust me, once you try it, you may never look back. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tools to make your digital life easier.